So, you know, we're nature now.
Yeah, it's pretty garbage.
What do you mean?
I mean, it's garbage. There's nothing to do here. Look at this.
We could look at the trees.
It's not even that good. They're not even right. They're just all dead. See this?
Well, we could plant them. We can make a
Look,
difference.
See this? This is what I think about your nature.
Why would you do that?
Oh, there's another one. That's what I think of your nature and your vegan lifestyle.
Why would you do that?
Because I hate nature.
This is really disrespectful.
You know what? I'm gonna kick this one for freedom.
Stop. Why do you keep doing this?
You know what?
What? I'm getting out of the show. No, I can't do this anymore. I can't do this anymore.
I gotta tell you something.
Yeah?
Before we end off the show.
What?
Before we end off the show.
What?
I'm vegan. Inspirational stuff.
Fuck you, John.
Fuck you, cameraman.